So what's the cheapest a real perfume ad has ever cost to make? I just found the answer. $19? 1. AI, 18 minutes. And the part that surprised me wasn't the price, it was what the AI did before it even started generating. The tool's called Flova, and I'll get to the before generating part in a minute. It's not a generator, it's an agent. You don't write prompts, you have a conversation. It asks follow-ups, remembers your brief across the whole chat, and picks the right AI for each piece of the job, automatically. I gave it one photo, one sentence. 18 minutes later, poster, 15-second ad, UGC review.
It's a revelation.
3 social cuts, all branded, all matching. Solo founder, creator, agency. This is your workflow. But you only feel why this is wild if you felt the alternative. Let me show you what your current setup actually costs. You want one campaign? You end up with 6 tools: Midjourney, Runway, HeyGen, Canva, ChatGPT, Suno. 6 logins, 6 tabs. Saturday, gone. Each tool has its own quirks. Half your time goes just to remembering how each one works. And your brand still looks like 6 different brands because none of these tools talk to each other. But that's not even the worst part. The worst part, they don't remember each other either. $1,400 a year and 0 shared memory. Every Monday, start from scratch, same fonts, same colors, same prompts, retyped every single time. You're not building a brand, you're running on a treadmill. And here's what nobody talks about. While you're switching tabs on Saturday, someone else shipped on Friday, the trend you were chasing, gone. So how do you actually shut this loop down? Most people paying for AI tools have never seen, and it starts with one sentence. Here's the sentence, word for word. Build me a launch campaign for midnight. Poster, 15-second ad, UGC review, 3 social cuts, dark, luxury, mysterious. That's the whole prompt. No 400-word description, no prompt engineering. Don't know the direction yet? Ask it to brainstorm. Give me 3 campaign angles. It comes back. You pick one, it runs. And here's where the agent thing actually clicks. Once it shows the first draft, you keep going in chat. Creative team in a chat box. Art director, copywriter, editor, waiting. But the conversation isn't the surprising part. Remember what I teased at the start? What does Flova do before generating? That's it for now. Watch which model Flova picks for each piece. Poster to GPT Image 2. OpenAI's newest. Best text rendering on the market. My headline reads, Midnight 01. Drop 1. Exactly. Real letters, real spacing. Video ad to Seedance 2.0. ByteDance. Real motion physics. The glossy slow-mo of actual perfume commercials. UGC clip to OmniHuman 1.5. An AI person holding the bottle, reviewing the scent, 3 AIs, 1 window, 0 tab switching, wrong model picked, 1 click, swap Seedance for Sora 2, swap GPT Image 2 for Nano Banana Pro, the whole library yours. So picking the right model is solved. But picking is actually the easy part. The hard part, the part every other AI tool gets catastrophically wrong, is what happens the moment you try to change just one thing. Once Flova drops the draft, you edit by talking. Make scene 2 darker. Done. Move the headline lower. Done. In Runway, Sora, Kling, fix one shot, you reprompt the whole video. Every other shot regenerates. Faces drift. The bottle changes shape. Colors shift. 2 hours in, 300 credits down. Perfect shot 4 ruined because you wanted to fix shot 2. You start over. That's the Retry tax. Nobody warns you before you're knee-deep. In Flova, click the shot, drop 1 line. Only that shot changes. The other 11 stay locked. That alone is why I stopped opening Runway. And we haven't even gotten to the feature that actually broke me. There's one more feature, the one I almost scrolled past. And it's the reason I haven't touched half my AI stack in 3 weeks. It's called skills. A skill isn't just saved prompts, it's your whole creative system, frozen in 1 click, your brand fonts, your color logic, your voice. But also, the stuff every other tool throws away. Your shot rhythm, your editing style, your favorite models for each job, the structure of how you build an ad, everything you've figured out about how you create, saved. Next campaign, load the skill, the whole system loads with it, you never rebuild who you are. And this is where Flova stops being a tool and starts being a production line. Running an agency with 3 clients? Each one gets their own skill. Client B needs a launch. Load B's system, ship in 20 minutes. Switch to client C, same flow, different brand, same speed. You're not using AI for client work anymore. You're running parallel brands from 1 window, a repeatable campaign system that scales as fast as you can sign clients. And here's the real unlock. Pro creators publish their skills publicly. Tap theirs. You're working at their level on day 1. Most AI tools generate, then reset. Use them, close the tab, start over. Flova remembers how you create. Your workflow, your aesthetic, your habits. All of it turns into a personal creative workspace that gets sharper every time you use it. Every other AI tool is one shot. Flova compounds. Okay, so what does all this actually cost? And save? One photo, one sentence. Out came a poster, an ad, a UGC clip, and 3 social cuts. Old way, 6 tools. Approximately $130 per month. Saturday gone. Flova way, 18 minutes, 19 bucks. 7 times less money, a weekend back. But before you sign up, Flova isn't perfect, and I'm not going to pretend it is. It isn't the premiere, no frame-by-frame timeline editing. Auto mode is smart, but you'll still want to override the hero shot manually. But if you're shipping ads, social content, product launches, brand kits, or running multiple brands in parallel, the math works, the speed works. I haven't opened my old AI stack in 2 weeks, so if you want to test it on your own brand, here's how. Links in the first line of the description. Sign up through it. Free credits on sign up. Refill every Monday. Enough to run a full campaign before you spend a rupee. Built something with it? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. Next video. Skills deep dive. Building a reusable brand kit from scratch, step by step. Catch you in the next one.